Hello and welcome. In this video I want to show you some techniques in geometry nodes to create abstract visuals. To start, I remove everything in default and add a sphere. Select the sphere and go to Geometry Nodes. Click here to create geometry node for your sphere. First, to control the sphere, add a transform geometry. Add a value node and connect it to the scale input. Add a subdivision node. See the panel at the top left to see what actually you have. Now add a cube node. Then add instances to point node. Use the sphere for the points. Connect it to the points input. And connect the cube node to instance input. Enable pick instance if you have a group of objects instead of a cube node. Now you have instances of the cube on the vertices of the sphere. Now I want to do some adjustments. Use value node to control the size of the cube. At the end of the patch, add a scale instances. I want to use a noise texture to create random scale cubes. Add it and connect its output to the scale input. Play with the parameters to get what you want. I want to multiply it to a vector so that I can control the general scale. Add multiply vector node. Connect your noise to the multiply and use a value node to multiply the vector in 3 dimensions. Put your noise in 4D mode to have an option to animate the randomness. You can connect a time node to the W parameter. Now add a translate instances node. You can move your instances by this. I want to select some of the cubes based on a distance to an object. Let me add a circle. Create node geometry for it and make it however you want. Then go back to the sphere geometry node. Drag and drop the circle from the right panel into the geometry node canvas. Convert it to a mesh with convert to mesh node. Then add a geometry proximity node and use its distance output. Here I need to change the mode to edges. Add a less than node to select cubes within a distance. Then connect the value output to the select input O to the translate instances. Now the other cubes remain unchanged and the cubes in the specified distance are getting moved. So now, you can play with the shapes and parameters to create different shapes. As I said before, you can animate the parameters here that need another video to cover that. Have this random animation for now. Then I did some simple setting to create a render with EEVE engine. Ask your questions in the comments and tell me if you are interested in videos like this.